Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to this sacred space. Today's transmission is a powerful reminder that the only way to truly change the world is to change the world within you. When we become the rulers of our own inner kingdom, anchoring peace and radiating love, our reality transforms. We stop reacting to chaos, and instead, we respond with the frequency of the divine. To rule doesn't mean to dominate. To rule means to embody the highest truth. That peace is in your power, and love is in your legacy. Let us begin. The ruler of light. I do not rule with sword or flame, nor carve my mark with fear or name. But through the stillness in my soul, I lead the world to something whole. I wear no crown, I raise no throne. My heart, my rule, my truth alone, a sovereign of the unseen kind, who bends no knee to time or mind. My kingdom lives where silence sings, where love awakens shattered wings. I change the world through what I be. Peace pours through me endlessly. So if you ask what power means, it's not control, it's lucid dreams. It's being love through night and day and ruling light in your own way. Invocation. Call to the divine sovereignty. Beloved source of all that is, great spirit of peace and infinite love, I call you now into this sacred space. Enter my heart, reign within my breath. Let every word I speak ripple through time as a blessing, not a burden. I release all false ideas of control. I surrender domination, fear, and force. Instead, I rise as the ruler of peace, the healer of worlds, the vessel of love. May I see with new eyes. May I rule with open hands. May I be the change that changes everything. And so it is. Amen. Meditation. The inner throne. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale peace. Exhale resistance. Visualize a glowing golden throne within your heart space. It's not a throne of power over others, but of harmony, compassion, and truth. Now see yourself seated on that throne. Your spine tall, your heart open, your soul shining like a sun from within. Every heartbeat sends waves of peace out into the world. Every breath fills the collective with love. Say silently to yourself, I rule with love. I reign in peace. I transform the world from within. Let this silence anchor you. Let this peace flow from you. You are the sovereign light. You are the new dawn. And when you're ready, gently return. Affirmations. Rule with love. Repeat these aloud or in your heart. I am the ruler of my inner world. My peace is my power. I lead with love in all that I do. I radiate compassion into every space I enter. The world around me reflects the light within me. I choose to rule with wisdom, humility, and grace. I am changing the world because I am changing myself. I am the peacekeeper. I am the love bringer. I am the light. You don't need to wait for a crown or a title to change the world. You only need to remember who you are. A sovereign soul, a ruler of peace, a vessel of divine love. Let others fight for control. You, beloved one, rule by becoming the light. Thank you for walking this path with me. If this message resonated with you, let it ripple out by liking, sharing, and spreading this peace. The world needs more souls like you. Until next time, stay radiant, stay sovereign, stay love.